Every night, the young girl cried alone in her room, until one unexpected moment changed her life forever. Anna worked every single day without rest. She cleaned the house, cooked food, washed clothes, and carried heavy bags from the market. No matter how hard she worked, nobody thanked her or showed her love. At night, Anna quietly cried alone in her small room and missed her old happy life. Deep inside her heart, Anna hoped that one day her life would finally change. One evening, her stepmother became angry again and started shouting loudly and said, "Never come back home. Earn your own money." Anna walked alone through the cold, empty street with nowhere to go. After working for a long time, she suddenly noticed the kind, beautiful mansion glowing in the darkness. Feeling nervous and afraid, Anna slowly walked closer and knocked on the large wooden door. A young, handsome man named Daniel opened the door and looked at the tired girl with kindness. For the first time in many years, Anna finally felt safe, respected, and cared for. As the days passed, Daniel slowly fell in love with Anna's kind heart and gentle smile. One peaceful evening, Daniel looked deeply into Anna's eyes under the warm garden lights. "Will you marry me?" she said. With a soft smile, he asked the question that changed Anna's life forever. The girl who once cried every night finally found happiness. The poor girl who once suffered every day hard finally found love, peace, and beautiful new beginning. And they lived happily forever.